गाइस, तो आज मैं आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ सम ऑफ माई मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव परचेजेस विच आर टोटली वर्थ इट. एंड सिंस फेस्टिवल सीजन इज अपॉन अस, अभी दिवाली आ रही है, दुर्गा पूजो, नवरात्रिज आर कमिंग एंड लाइक सो मच ऑफ फेस्टिविटीज आर गोना हैपन. तो आई थॉट दिस इज द राइट टाइम कि आप सब परचेजेस करने वाले हो. दिस इज द राइट टाइम टू शेयर दिस काइंड ऑफ अ वीडियो. और इसमें जो है सारी की सारी चीज़ें मैंने सॉर्ट की हैं सो दैट दे आर अवेलेबल फॉर यू अक्रॉस इंडिया. लाइक यूल फाइंड देम ऑन नाइका, यूल फाइंड देम ऑन Amazon, यूल फाइंड देम ऑन फ्लिपकार्ट. हर जगह आपको ये मिल जाएंगी. एंड ऑल्सो इन सबको मैंने यूज़ किया है. सम ऑफ देम आई हैव बीन यूजिंग फॉर ईयर्स एंड लाइक एवरी buck I've spent has been worth it. तो obviously none of us want to go end up like becoming fools, इतना हाई एंड चीज़ कोई परचेज करें एंड बाद में पता चले परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा नहीं है, क्वालिटी नहीं है, प्रोडक्ट नहीं है, वट एवर. सो इसलिए आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर विद यू दीज सम ऑफ माई टॉप परचेजेस. सो इसमें मोस्टली जो है आपको मिलेंगी ब्यूटी एंड लिटिल बिट ऑफ हेयर and some makeup. I am not sharing much of skincare because I use my own DIYs and a couple of other really good products, पर वो इतने high end है नहीं जो यहाँ पे आ सके. First thing I'll share with you is the only single hair product जो कि है this Acai oil. So आपको पता है Moroccan oil is a boon for hair and that has changed my hair game because पहले when I hadn't discovered Moroccan oil, I used to walk around with a haystack on my head. लेकिन Moroccan oil ने totally game मेरा change कर दिया. And if you are curly haired, you know the struggle of curly hair is really bad. It can be either beautiful or it can be like really an enemy to you. So currently मैं ये use कर रही हूँ. This is the Acai oil. This is a little expensive as in this was for 2,300, but every bit of it is worth it. जैसे ये Acai oil हुआ और दूसरा है Moroccan oil. These two are the products I cannot do without. Like before I style my hair and like shower में after conditioning I need to put some oil in my hair and I suggest curly haired girls के लिए especially ये step आप miss ना करें, otherwise you are going to like just going to end up how. So that's the only hair product I have. So I'm going to go on to makeup now. The other things I'm going to share with you are these Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pomades. Now this is expensive, like I think 2.5 to 3,000 के इर्द गिर्द इसका प्राइस रेंज है. एंड आई हैव वन इन चॉकलेट. दिस इज द डिप ब्राउ पोमेड इन सॉफ्ट ब्राउन एंड अ डिप ब्राउ पोमेड इन चॉकलेट. तो बोथ दीज पोमेड्स जो हैं दीज आर सम ऑफ द बेस्ट थिंग I've ever used. नो डाउट मार्केट में अभी इसके ड्यूप्स बहुत आ गए हैं, लेकिन दिस इज वॉट विल एक्चुअली गिव यू द इल्यूजन ऑफ हैविंग आईब्रोज. लेकिन स्पेशली अगर आप मेरी तरह हैं, यहाँ पे 4 और यहाँ पे 3 आईब्रोज, so this is the product you really need. This is going to make all your eyebrows defined, and if you don't have eyebrows, it's like it's going to fill them out. अगर आपके sparse brows हैं, this is going to really fill them out. So I think this is a product every girl who likes makeup needs in her kit. So these are the eyebrow pomades by Anastasia Beverly Hills. उसी brand से is the Amrezy highlighter. So the ABH highlighter in collaboration with Amrezy is something like literally what dreams are made of. This is the highlighter जो मैं ज़्यादा करके यूज़ करती हूँ and I think let me give you a swatch of just see this here. I don't know if it will show up as much, but it is so beautiful when you apply this on your cheeks. It's going to like totally change the game. ये बहुत ही metallic type का है और and Amrezy, if you know Amrezy, you know her style. So she's only pure glam. She's like a glam, she's like glamour को किसी ने इंसान बना दिया. She's like that kind of a person. So this is a highlighter. आप imagine कर सकते हैं कि कैसा होगा. And the next, of course, how can I go on without foundations? तो मेरे 2 favorites हैं currently. First is the Fenty Beauty foundation. This is something I am loving. मुझे लगा था मैं MAC के बाद I'll never love another foundation again, लेकिन I was wrong. So this retails in India for 3,650. इसको मैंने लोकल शॉप से लिया है. I don't know Amazon पे कितना मिले, मगर the best thing about this foundation is they have the most beautiful shade range from the lightest to the medium, olive, dark, deep. इतनी beautiful shade range है इसकी कि like of course like the creator herself being a black woman, a beautiful gorgeous person, उसको तो पता ही है like so this is my shade. I think it's a little bit light, लेकिन I'll just like get along with it. So because जब मैंने इसको purchase किया तो बहुत सारे shades available नहीं थे and I made do with this guy. इसका क्या number है I don't know. I'll just okay. So this is 220. It's a little bit light, but I wanted this so badly and I'm just making it work with my skin tone. And this is what I'm wearing on my skin right now. I love this foundation. इसका wearability टेस्ट मैंने लिया था एंड आई थिंक आई पुट इट ऑल्सो इन अ वीडियो. इट वॉज सो ऑसम. इसको पहन के मैं पूरा दिन आई हैड सम वर्क इन साउथ मुंबई जहाँ मैं गई एंड दिस फाउंडेशन डिड नॉट बज फॉर लाइक आई थिंक 12 to 14 आवर्स. ऑसम फाउंडेशन और इसकी फिनिश भी बहुत ही वेलवेटी है. The next love of my life, of course, MAC. How can I talk about foundation and not talk about MAC? So this is the MAC Mineralized Moisture SPF Foundation, और इसके जैसा फाउंडेशन मैंने सीरियसली अब तक देखा नहीं है. I have like not come across a foundation like the MAC foundations. This has got a dewy finish. अगर आपको MAC Studio Fix जो है, that has got more of a matte finish. But I like a dewy kind of a thing. कि मेरा skin normal to dry में है. So you know, like I don't like to look very dry. Obviously, who does? This is what the bottle looks like, and this foundation is just skin. It is pure skin. Like इसको जब मैं लगाती हूँ, if you know the right application, आप इसको लगा के just blend it with a beauty blender, a damp one, and it doesn't look like you're wearing foundation. It just looks like your skin, you know, but better. So they also have a great shade range, and you know, like you just get the right shade for you, and you're not going to go back. So that was that. Now I'm coming down to another highlighter, which is Benefit का जो tickle है, इसको मैंने recently purchase किया है, and this is one of the best highlighters in the market right now. So this retails for I think 2,800, and this I've done an entire video on it, so I won't swatch it and all that now. So it's a very cute little highlighter box. ये 2,800 का था ये, and this is one of the best highlighters in this particular you know जो series है. उसमें एक था the dark one which is shaped like a diamond, but that has chunks of glitter in it, so be warned. Especially अगर आप online shopping करते हो for makeup, which I never ever advise, that has got chunks of glitter in it. So the next awesome thing you can't do without आपका skin tone, कुछ भी हो, आपका color कितना भी deep हो, कितना भी light हो, you need this product. This is the Hoola bronzer from Benefit. I think किसी को बताने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. So the Hoola from Benefit is, it looks like this. I use this to contour, and I think it's like so good. अलग shade skin tones के लिए आप इसको contour use कर सकते हैं, or like a bronzer is going to work in either way. Mostly a lot of people use this as a bronzer, and I think it's got this is one of those products जो किसी भी literally किसी भी you know tone पे जाएगा. Also they've come out with Hoola Caramel and Hoola another couple of shades in this one जो थोड़ा deep भी है, थोड़ा light भी है for different skin tones, which is a great thing because ये product iconic है. This is iconic. Most of the things which I'm telling you here are iconic. So also going back to MAC is the medium conceal and contour palette, and ये जो है this is the Pro Conceal and Corrector palette. Mine is in medium. I've spoken about this first also. This has been like you know attacked a lot of times. लेकिन ये जो है the concealers from MAC are on a level of their own. First of all, जब आप इनको लगाएंगे, they don't look at all like they are concealers. Like they just look like skin. I don't know how they do that. इनका formula क्या है, but it looks, nothing can touch it. It's like one of the very few companies who make concealers which like don't look like concealers. So and इनमें थोड़ा सा एक oily पना है, so that makes your skin look real. It doesn't look like you've just caked on something, because I really hate the powder finish. Next thing is a recent purchase again. This is the Too Faced Natural Palette. I have been eyeing this for a long time. इसको buy करने से पहले मैंने काफ़ी research की, and I can tell you this that I am not disappointed. इसमें आते हैं 2 highlighters, you've got 2 blushes and 2 bronzers, and you can mix and match these for any skin tone. I can't tell you how good this smells. It smells like coconut with cinnamon, like you know, like literally party. This is a party in itself. I really love this. And like मैं अभी इसके बाद I'm on a rampage. I know I'll be buying a lot of face palettes because this is a game changer. Next up, I'm going to go on to some stuff from the Body Shop. Now the Body Shop is not exactly very expensive, but it's not very cheap either, right? So I'm going to share with you some of the best जो you know body washes इनके हैं. Rather than the cream ones, I really like the scrubs. So I have the beach scrub, which is for I think something like 2,000 rupees, 1,400 or something like that. This one, yeah, 1,466. So these I got for like buy one get one and those kind of things. और मैं आपको यही advise करूँगी to go for the like you know the deals and those offers which they come out. Try not to buy them at full price. They are really expensive, like 1.5k per like you know little tube. But this stuff is amazing. You are going to like really love this. First of all, when I use a lot of scrubs, so my skin can get very dry and it gets itchy. So that's one reason why like you know you need, at least I need a lot of moisturizer. Even though मैं मुंबई में रहती हूँ, like यहाँ पे it's like there is nothing like you know like it's just very dry and very hot all the time. So dryness, like it's not like यहाँ पे बर्फ पड़ती है, it's very cold, but still my skin can get very dry at times. This doesn't let that happen. These are some of the best formulations I've seen. I love it because after using this, in spite of it being a scrub, समथिंग इज देयर लाइक जो आपकी स्किन को इची नहीं होने देता. फॉर मी दैट्स अ वेरी बिग प्लस. Okay, the next thing मैंने उनसे एक पूरी की पूरी haul की है. I'll link it up and down, so I'm not going to go into very deep detail about these things. So this is the water का जो है scrub है ये again. These are all sugar scrubs. All of them gigantic. They're going to last you quite a while. So I would suggest if you're in the shower, don't dip your hand in it. Use a spatula वरना ये watery हो जाता है. Again the same thing. No itchiness. Nothing. So again, and I will not advise. I wouldn't recommend going and buying the hand washes at full price. Definitely don't do that. Wait in उनकी जो sales आते हैं in December and I think in February or March. Wait for those and buy them at a offer buy 2 get 2 and that kind of a thing. Otherwise वो बहुत महंगे and while they are very good, they are I wouldn't want to spend so much. I'll just wait for the for the offers to come in. The next thing is their lotions. Again मेरा एक tip है, I would rather go for the body lotions than the body creams. The body creams are not as great. All of the products smell awesome because that's what body and bath is all about. So I've got perfumes and fragrances and scented candles which are again awesome. Like in the scented candles, while they're awesome, they haven't impressed me as much as the bath range has. So ये जो lotion है, this I've got 3 or 4 lotions by them. This is the one I am in love with. This is Mary Cherry Cheer in this is it's purple और एक और है something like dark night or something. These lotions I can't explain to you. आप इसको लगाने के बाद you are going to smell so good for hours to come. You literally don't need anything else. And if you spray some a milta julta perfume, you are going to smell like so awesome the entire day. Trust me. Like जब मैं ये लगाती हूँ मेरा पूरा room महकता है. It's so good. I'm 100% in love with it. This is the one product I don't care. I'll buy it at full price because I am crazy about perfumes and this is like really up there. This was for 1,199. That's 1199. So that's not even so expensive. Like $1,200 for this thing is really good because if अगर आप layering करते हो, you know how to layer your perfumes, you are going to smell so sweet throughout. So these are all the things and I hope you keep in mind the Bath and Body Works के जो tips मैंने अभी आपको बताए. Don't go in and buy them all at like full price. Wait for them to come up. Unless and until you love something so much, तब अलग है. They also have these beautiful body mists. I've spoken about all of that in my Bath and Body Works haul. So that's about it. And while Bath and Body Works उतना high end नहीं है, but it is like still definitely on the expensive side considering it's just like a bath product. Like $1,200 for a bath product is something. Maybe some people would consider it expensive, some may not. It's up to you. You decide. So these are the things which I think are worth the money. मैंने इन पे spend किया है और मैं करती रहती हूँ. I keep repurchasing and except for Fenty, it's my first bottle, but I think when this is over, I will definitely go for a repurchase. The only thing is Fenty it's got a matte finish. So if you like the matte finish, you will really love Fenty. And if you've got an oily skin, it's going to be really awesome for you. So that was all from me today, and I'm going to see you guys soon after a very short while. Take care of yourself and stay beautiful. Bye. मैं आपके लिए इसलिए I'm going to share with you these some of my. I will start. इसमें mostly. So I'm going to start. So इसमें mostly जो है आपको मिलेंगी beauty and a little bit of hair. And so those were all my tips for you. So that was all from me today, and I'm going to. So that was all from me today, and I'm going to see you guys soon after a very short while.